approaching here, and the group which have just finished the first part of their descent from the church, la baixada, during the Festa Major Sitges, is the moixiganga de Sitges. Religious ceremony dance, always in quite odd clothes, telling the story of the Passion of Christ. La moixiganga is a dance, or it's it's a dance which exists in many towns in Catalonia, but here in Sitges we have one of the places where this tradition has been maintained in the most vivid way throughout history. Great descent of la moixiganga de Sitges in the Festa Major Sitges,